Hello friends, my name is Dr. Rice, and today we're going to be answering the question, what exactly is blood pressure? Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the inside walls of arteries. Arteries are tiny pipes that carry oxygen-rich blood all throughout your body. Blood pressure is measured with two numbers. The top number is called systolic blood pressure, and it's measuring the pressure within those arteries while your heart is beating. And then the bottom number is called the diastolic blood pressure, and it's measuring the pressure within your arteries in between heartbeats. There are three main things that affect your blood pressure. Number one is how much blood is being pumped out by your heart at any given time. This is also known as cardiac output. Number two is how much blood is in your arteries at any given point in time, and this is also known as blood volume. And then number three is the overall resistance of your arteries, which is determined by several factors. These things include the flexibility of your artery walls, how thick or thin your blood is, also known as blood viscosity, and the overall diameter of the arteries themselves. Your body has certain mechanisms that control each one of these specific factors individually. And all of these things work together in order to help regulate your blood pressure. Well, speaking of blood pressure, what exactly is a normal range for the typical blood pressure that you'd see? According to current medical guidelines, there are several ranges of blood pressure that I think you should be familiar with, and I'll put those ranges on the screen here. So a typical normal range of a blood pressure should have a systolic, or that top number, be anywhere from 90 to 120, and the diastolic number, or the bottom number, be anywhere from 60 to 80. Blood pressure is considered elevated if the systolic number is 120 to 129, or the diastolic value to be 80 to 89. In hypertension stage 1, the systolic number is 130 to 139, and the diastolic number is 80 to 89. Hypertension stage 2, the systolic number is 140 and higher, and the diastolic number is 90 and higher. Anything above the normal range is what we call hypertension or high blood pressure, and anything below that normal range is called hypotension or low blood pressure. If you'd like to know even more medical information that may be pertinent to your overall health, please visit my website at www.drmitchrice.com. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I will see you all on the next one.